Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Expedition door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a trim removal tool and a screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Then, carefully identify and remove all visible screws and trim pieces, which are typically found in the armrest or door pull area. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Next, focus on the door's functional components. Carefully use your trim tool to pry up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. You'll often find additional screws hidden behind the door handle bezel or within the armrest pocket. Removing these ensures the panel can be fully detached later, so take your time. Now, it's time to release the main door panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear the plastic clips pop free. Work your way around the entire perimeter, ensuring every clip is disengaged. Once all clips are released, lift the entire door panel straight up to clear the window channel. With the panel lifted, you'll need to disconnect any final electrical connectors and the door release cable. These are usually simple to unclip. Once everything is detached, carefully set the door panel aside where it won't be damaged. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse process. Ensure all clips align and electrical connections are secure for proper function. Take your time for a perfect fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.